Hello guys, welcome to this video basic English sentences with Urdu translation, so listen to me carefully. Number 1, I am in the kitchen. Number 2, I am at the market. Number 3, I am in the room. Number 4, I am on the phone. Number 5, I am at the door. Number 6, I am in the car. Number 7, I am at the park. Number 8, I am at work. Number 9, I am with my friends. Number 10, I am at the hospital. Number 11, I am waiting for the bus at the station. Number 12, I am thinking about my future plans. Number 13, I am looking for my lost keys. Number 14, I am trying to understand his problem. Number 15, I am feeling a little tired today.